Goiter. Introduction. Thyroid hormones affects which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Heart rate. 2. Blood pressure. 3. Body temperature. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thyroid hormone also affects body weight. The base of Sarah's neck is swollen. She has been coughing and has noticed a tight feeling in her throat. Should Sarah contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. A swollen neck, coughing, and a tight feeling in the throat may be signs of a problem. Sarah should contact her healthcare provider. The most common cause of goiter worldwide is a lack of iodine in a person's diet. Select true or false. Correct. In places like the United States, where table salt and other foods usually have iodine added, most people get enough iodine from their diet to prevent goiters. In these cases, goiters are often caused by a disorder of the thyroid gland. Does having a goiter risk factor mean that you will definitely develop a goiter? Select yes or no. Correct. Having one or more risk factors does not mean that a person will get a goiter. It is also possible to develop a goiter without any risk factors. Is surgery always needed to treat a goiter? Select yes or no. Correct. Surgery is not always needed to treat a goiter, but your healthcare provider may recommend surgery if your goiter is large and if it is causing health problems. Thank you for using Explain.